All right, boys, good morning. My name's Tony. If you follow how do I usually start these videos? Jesus. Before I start the video, I want to say please subscribe, like, and comment if you want to join the Patreon to learn all my strategies and my custom indicators that have proven to, net 100, 200, 300, 400%, 1,000% gains, for your swings or for your long-term holds, whatever. Join the Patreon, right? You don't have to if you don't want to, but you can join. Patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. I got asked to run a quick TA on Doggy. As you guys know, I've been calling out Doggy since down here, right? Since down here, this whole area, really. Anything between like a 0.06 and anything like 6 cents and 10 cents, my indicators have been going crazy to tell you guys to buy. And then what happened? Completely blew up, right? And again, very, very easy target, honestly. Even if you weren't using support and resistance, you could have just ran the fib from high to the low, and then bam, you would have gotten your target, right? As soon as you broke with this candle, you broke this relative high with this candle, boom. This would have been an easy guess. It was an easy guess for me to 46. Super easy guess. And this is a 500% gain from when my triggers went, right? So my triggers would have been telling you to buy here at 14 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents again, right? If you run the 2-week, right? On the 2-week, you would have bought at 10 cents, right? On the monthly, you would have bought at 16 cents, right? I mean, this was telling you to purchase Doggy like so far back, man. Like it's like completely insane, right? But let's focus on where it's actually going, where it's been, where I think it's going to go. As of right now, you are rejecting to the low side, right? I do not expect Doggy to actually keep going lower unless you close a bear candle under this like 36 cents, right? Essentially the open of this, 36.65, right? That would be 36.65. That's at an alert there. 36.62, sure. If you start closing, right, I'm not too worried about intraday. I don't care too much about intraday with Doggy, right? I don't care about what kind of moves it does. I care about daily and probably like weekly, right? So if you do close a weekly candle like this, I do think you're probably going to go all the way down to 30 cents, right? I think you're going down to 30 cents. If you end up closing, let me see, your next resistance, or sorry, not the resistance, support. Your next support would be here at this weekly, right? That weekly high. That's going to be your next support, roughly. I'd say probably, can I go lower than that? Nah, that's fine. I actually like that. That's fine. Yeah, your next actual support, right, is going to be right here at 29 cents, like roughly 31 to 29 cents. If you decide to close a weekly under that 36-cent level that I said, yeah, 0.3662, whatever, right, around there. So if you close anything like this, right, so imagine this candle being this one, right, I'm gonna make something for you guys, right, so imagine we close like this, right, imagine we start up here, go all the way down, and we close like this, right, let's say we close like that. If we close like that this week, right, if you keep dropping and you close a candle like this, I can almost guarantee you're gonna drop to 30 cents, right, with the possibility of probably bouncing from here, right? Coming down, bouncing, and then recovering, right? Or if you break this, right, then you come down, and then you can bounce, and then you can go like this, or you can actually push again to the upside, right? Or if you break this, then you're going all the way back down. My guess is to this level right here of like 11 cents, right? So many possibilities when it comes to these things. But again, it all depends on breaking support and resistance. It all depends on breaking these levels, right? So if for some reason, right, this week you close like that, then yes, we are going under. If for some reason you do this again, right, and you break that level, right, boom, you're going to go to the next one. If you break this level, so for some reason, right, you come all the way down here and you're breaking under this level, right, under this 0.22 support, then you're going to come all the way back down to 11. Again, I don't like doing TA too far off because it doesn't really make sense, right? Because what if you just straight bounce from here? So as of right now, right, I really don't care anything about Doggy. The only thing I care about is this week, right? Is it going to close under, right, 3662 for the weekly candle, or is it not? If it doesn't close, then I'm bullish. As long as you don't close under this open, right, this 3665 level, right? As long as you don't close under that open, then, you're fucking going to 44 cents, and I'm bullish. If you close a weekly candle under that open, then you're probably going to drop down to 30 cents. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.